Hello and welcome to today's Passion for Dancing lesson. My name is Leon and this is Kim, and right now we're going to be teaching you a step called the New Yorkers in the international style cha-cha. And just so you know, we included the basic movement before getting into the New Yorkers when we demo it. But really we're just going to be focusing on that one figure. Let's do it to the count. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. And another angle. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. All right, guys, let's do your steps now. So we're going to just start it from a basic, just showing you how to get into it, and then we just focus on the New Yorkers, though. So it's 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1. This is really where the New Yorkers start. I'm going to do 2 of them. So you're going to pivot on the right foot, bring left leg in, and so that was about a quarter turn. You're going to do a check forward, okay? And the way we're going to do it here is just going to bend the knee right away to the leg, okay? So that's going to be count 2, 3. You could also do 2 and 3, but we're just going to keep it simple, make it sharp, which is characteristic with the cha-cha, and just check right away. So this is 2 and replace back on 3. Now we're going to bring left leg in, pivot back to face our partner, and do a side, close, side, and we do the same thing to the other side. So we're going to pivot a quarter turn to the left this time, bringing right foot in, and then we do a check forward now with the right. So we go 2 and 3. And then pivot back to face your partner, another quarter turn to the right, and do a side, close, side, and you're done. You can either go to a basic or do another set of New Yorkers. Okay, so I'm just going to do the New Yorkers to the count now. So it's going to be cha-cha, 1 and 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1 and 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1. All right, ladies, let's do your steps. So we're going to start with the basic movement just to show you how you can get into it. And then we're really going to focus on just the New Yorkers, which start right here. So right now, what you're going to do is you're going to pivot on that left leg, a quarter turn to the left, bringing right leg in, and then you're going to do a sharp check forward action is what it's called. Okay, so and for this check forward action, we're going to right away bring back leg to front leg, creating a Cuban cross position. Then you're going to replace back, and then you're going to pivot back to face your partner, bring right leg in, and then you do a side triple step, side, close, side, and now you do New Yorker to the other side, pivoting a quarter turn to the right, bringing left leg in, doing a check forward with the left this time, and then back onto the right, replacing, and pivoting back to face your partner, collecting the leg, and a triple step to the side, and you're done. Let's do just the New Yorkers to the count now, and cha-cha, 1 and 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1 and 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1. And from here, ladies, you can continue working on the New Yorkers, or you can go into the basic if you want. All right, let's talk about the lead and follow for the New Yorkers. So we're going to just show you how to get into it from the basic movement. So we have 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. And right here, when we go side, close, side, that's when I'm bringing the arm down. And I'm going to let go now, and we're both going to start turning our shoulders, okay? So that's the main lead here is I'm going to now turn my shoulder, connecting my arm to my body so the ladies can feel that I'm turning, and then she starts to turn as well, yes? So guys, make sure your arm is connected to your body and that you're not just doing this, okay? Because now you're not really leading the lady. So you want to bring her with you, make sure that left arm goes in front of the body of both of you, and then we turn the hips and we step into it, okay? So that's the lead here. We step back, and now we're going to turn the shoulders to face each other again, switching the hand. Okay, so ladies, you want to give your arm to the guy. Guy, you want to grab the lady's arm, and then we do a side, close, side. And then from here, I'm going to let go, and again, it's all about the shoulders. So make sure you're turning the shoulders first, and then you're turning the hips later to go into your check forward. Remember, keeping your arm connecting to your body, that's going to tell the ladies where you're going, okay? So you can even practice like this on the spot. So ladies, you just want to make sure that you don't go on your own and you wait for the guy to lead you. So guys, you're going to be leading her with your shoulder turn. And remember, don't disconnect the arm. So bring it all as in one piece. And then the hips turn, and we're going to do our check action, okay? And then from here, we're going to go back. And we're going to turn the shoulders to face each other again, grabbing the other hand. Now, when we give each other the hand here, ladies, you go on top like this with your palm down. Guys, you go with your palm under. So we turn to each other and we connect. You want to connect really quickly before going to the side. So then you go to the other side and turn the shoulders again, bringing that arm in front, and then a check forward. And then replace, connect to each other. Okay, get that hand in there. And then again, turn the shoulders first, and then the hips. Let's just show you a few more times. So do cha-cha, 1, turn the shoulders. Around count 1, you're already doing this shoulder turn. And then 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, turn the shoulders. 3, take the hand, turn the shoulders. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so practice that. So the first tip for this figure is you don't want to move your spine too much forward when you're doing your New Yorkers, because it's a check forward action. Check forward, we're doing it like this in this case, so meaning we're not really moving too much forward at all. We're just going to get into this Cuban cross position, so you're going to bend the back knee to the front very quickly, and that's going to happen on count 2. So we don't want to move too much. We just want to get into that position, bring our arm out, and let's show you how that's happening. So we go right from the New Yorker. So we go cha-cha, 1. As we turn the shoulders now, we're going to just get into the position. So you don't want to keep moving. Okay, this would be wrong. You want to arrive there, and you're done. And then replace back, and cha-cha, 1, 2, and you're done. Okay, don't keep moving like this. Okay, stay there and just extend that arm. Okay, the reason is because cha-cha is just so fast, so that's why you don't want to start moving too much on those kinds of steps. Okay, and let's show you from another angle here, so you can see 2. So you can see I'm done kind of moving. I don't want to keep doing this, okay, because then you're going to start falling. You're going to stop. You won't have any weight on the back leg, so it'll be hard for you to have that balance. Okay, so you don't want to move too much forward. Stay in between more, okay? So that's all it is right here. So you can see I'm kind of in between my body. I don't want to keep moving like this, okay? So let's show you a few more here. So we go cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. And let's discuss the arm styling here. I'm going to go from the New Yorkers right away. So we go cha-cha, 1. We're talking about the free arm. And what we're doing is we're just extending it out from the elbow. And then as we turn, we're going to extend it up. So it's just higher than the shoulder level. And it goes slightly back. So we can stretch it back slightly. Okay? And then replacing, the arm starts to go forward. As we start turning to each other, we give each other the arm. Cha-cha, 1. And then right here, we're going to, again, extend our arm from the elbow. So you want to have the elbow go back as you're turning the shoulders, and then you want to straighten that arm when you finish your check forward position. So that's what you're doing. So let's do it one more time. Take the hand, cha-cha, 1. And now again, elbow first, and then straighten the arm, and you can stretch a little bit. And again, cha-cha, 1, elbow. Make sure the arm is straight also, okay? So you don't want it to be bent. You want to keep it straight. And let's watch it from another angle. And cha-cha, 1. Extend the arm. 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1. hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you want to get more lessons like this, please visit our website at passionfordancing.com, where we have both the international style and the American style syllabus steps for all levels.